Let's see how to change the cabin filter on the Peugeot 208. It doesn't happen often with French cars, but this one is pretty simple to do and you can improve the air quality in your 208 in 2 minutes. We open the hood, and on the left side is a plastic cover with 3 tabs. You can even open it just by hand. When you remove it, you can see the filter housing right away. Remove the tabs on the sides of the housing and open the front part by pulling it downwards. We can take out the pollen filter now, and we can see it has 2 parts. If this helps, you can subscribe to the channel. When you insert the new cabin filter, keep in mind that these arrows need to point downwards. That is it, just put everything back as it was.